Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will be discussing how to delete your Uber driver account permanently. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to log into your Uber account. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap the account section, which will be in the bottom right corner of the app. Once you've done that, simply click on settings and then privacy. Scroll further down, and as you keep on going, you will end up on account deletion. Once you're there, it will ask you to verify certain pieces of information. Go ahead and do that. You will need to enter your email or mobile phone number, provide a verification code. Once your identity is verified, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion process. But be aware that once you delete your account, all of your Uber profiles, including your rider and Uber Eats profile, will be permanently deleted after a certain period of time, which is either 30 days or 7 days. This is a fairly simple process and it is not that difficult. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.